Also facing the problem where WSL Windows Subsystem for Linux stops working after upgrading to Windows 11? This usually happens because the upgrade disables required features, the kernel is outdated, or system settings conflict with WSL. Many online solutions are complicated, but here's a simple trick that worked for me. First, make sure WSL is enabled. Press Windows +R, type optional features.exe, and press enter. Check Windows Subsystem for Linux and Virtual Machine Platform. Then click OK and restart your PC. Next, update the WSL kernel. Open command prompt as admin and run WSL update. If WSL still doesn't work, reset it. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, find your Linux distro, click Advanced Options, and choose Reset. Finally, set WSL version 2 as default. Open command prompt as admin and type WSL set default version 2. This simple trick fixed WSL for me after upgrading to Windows 11. If you want a full step-by-step guide, comment below. This is LxssManager.